Wow, this place is nice. Nature trips are best when everything is neat and organized.
Yeah, in my culture, we like being close the earth, sitting on the round feels natural to us.
You're sitting directly on the ground. That's strange. In our culture, that's not proper. We use mats or chairs.
Yes.
Mark, you're judging the US culture using your own culture standard.
Go.
That's called inclusivity. Believing your own culture is superior by judging others based on it.
In my culture, sitting around, show respect for nature. We believe the earth gives us a life, so we stay connected to it.
It means understanding people believe and practice based on their culture, not yours. And that's where cultural relativism comes in.
What seems strange to you find be meaningful to us.
So, I shouldn't say it's wrong just because it's different.
Exactly, different doesn't mean wrong.
It's okay. What matters is being open-minded.
I never thought of it that way. I guess I was judging too fast.
It's okay. What matters is being open-minded.
When we respect cultural differences, we will learn more about world and each other.
So this is cultural relativism, understanding before judging.
And ethnocentrism is judging without understanding.
Different culture, one world.